Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your Spotify playlist private and how you can um listen to songs in like a private session on Spotify. But you're just going to select these three dots here, and then you're going to select make private to make your Spotify playlist private. If you don't want to, select make public again, and if you want to listen your songs in a private session, just select your name here and then check private session. If you want to turn that off, just untick it again. That's how you can make playlists and listening in Spotify private, because if you don't have it on private and you listen to songs, your friends might know in the friends activity bit right there. But oops, sorry. That is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.